The OnePlus Nord 5 is here, and it's not just another mid-range phone. With a flagship-grade chipset, massive battery, blazing fast charging, and a stunning OLED display, this beast is ready to destroy the competition. But is it the ultimate budget flagship of 2025? Let's find out. The OnePlus Nord series has consistently delivered outstanding value in the mid-range segment, and now, OnePlus Nord 5 is ready to shake things up once again. Packed with next-gen features, a refined design, and an emphasis on performance, this device is aimed squarely at users who want flagship-like power without breaking the bank. At first glance, the 6.77-inch flat OLED display takes center stage. With its crisp 1.5K resolution, buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, and vibrant color reproduction, it's a display that feels every bit as premium as high-end flagships. Whether you're gaming, binge-watching your favorite series, or scrolling through social media, the Nord 5's display ensures every frame is rich, sharp, and immersive. An in-display fingerprint scanner keeps the look sleek and modern while offering fast, secure access. Under the hood, the MediaTek Dimensity 9400E chipset powers the experience. This is no ordinary chip, it's a binned version of the high-performance Dimensity 9400, delivering flagship-tier efficiency and power, yet optimized for better thermal management and battery life. Whether you're running demanding apps, switching between games and productivity tools, or recording high-res video, this processor won't slow you down. It brings a serious punch to the mid-range market. Camera performance is another standout. The dual-camera setup may look minimal, but it's far from basic. A 50MP primary sensor with OIS ensures sharp, detailed shots even in challenging lighting, while the 8MP ultra-wide lens gives you the freedom to capture sweeping landscapes and creative angles. Selfies are handled effortlessly by a high-resolution front-facing camera, promising clear results whether you're on a video call or updating your social feed. Battery life is another area where the OnePlus Nord 5 truly excels. It houses a massive 6,650 mAh battery, one of the largest in the segment. This means you can easily get through a full day, or even two, without hunting for a charger. And when you do need to top up, 80W fast charging gets you back to 100% in no time, keeping downtime to a minimum and convenience at a maximum. OnePlus has also paid attention to design. The glass back offers a premium in-hand feel, while the plastic middle frame helps control the price without compromising too much on durability. It strikes a smart balance between aesthetics and affordability. You'll also find dual stereo speakers, an IR blaster, and TV Rhineland certification, ensuring both entertainment and eye protection are front and center. These small additions add real-world value, especially for tech-savvy users. On the software front, the device runs on Android 15 out of the box with the fluid and minimal OxygenOS 15 layered on top. Expect a clean UI, smooth transitions, and long-term support for future updates. It's the kind of user experience that feels polished and intuitive. And finally, let's talk price. The OnePlus Nord 5 is expected to launch at around 30,000 Indian rupees in India, approximately $355, or €313, positioning it as one of the most compelling choices in the upper mid-range bracket. It competes directly with some of the biggest names in the industry, and with these specs, it's hard to ignore. All in all, the OnePlus Nord 5 is shaping up to be a game-changer in 2025. It's a phone that brings powerful internals, an immersive display, premium features, and long battery life, all at a price that makes it accessible to a wider audience. Whether you're a gamer, photographer, binge watcher, or just someone looking for a solid all-rounder, the Nord 5 has something to offer for everyone.